So a question I get a lot is, which one should I get when I'm working on cars? Well, honestly, I like to have all of them. If I could only have two, I would pick these two because rarely do you run into anything on most cars you'll need the big boy for. This one's great for most work like suspension, brakes, exhaust related stuff, lug nuts. This one, if you're doing like diesel work or heavy machinery, this might be where you need 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. This is like 2.25 foot-pounds of torque, 225. This will do most things on most cars, okay? This one is great for the smaller stuff that doesn't have a whole lot of torque spec needs. This one is rated at 35 foot-pounds, so you're not necessarily busting nuts loose with this thing, but you can, if you don't hold the trigger, you can actually use it like a ratchet. So you can crack something loose and then hit the ratchet, and you're good to go. This actually saves a boatload of time when you're reassembling a whole lot of things. This one is my lug nut guy. A lot more powerful. You get all the settings up there. So I use that quite often. These two are probably my most used. This is my least used, but when it has to come out, it's because the job requires a whole lot of torque. This is a one-setting machine, and it is powerful. It has honestly shot a lug nut across the garage in my shop, and so I have to watch it when I actually work with that thing because it can break things.